What's up, YouTube? Black Tea Homer coming at you once again through Black Tea Bourbon channel. Where if it smells like alcohol and it tastes like alcohol, it must be good. Today we got another Knob Creek. This is Knob Creek 9. Before we do start, have I told you how much I enjoy borrowing bottles? This is another borrowed bottle here. I'm doing a series right now with just bottles that I'm borrowing out here. This is the Knob Creek 8 or Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. It's the Knob Creek 9. So it is aged for 9 years. And it's a small batch, 100 proof, 50% alcohol by volume. You know, it's your typical SpongeBob Knob Creek bottle. It's nice and square out there. Color, it's got a nice color to it. But let's see, what is this? Cork. Yeah. See, I like this cork. I mean, this is more of a plastic compared to the other ones that seem to be like little cheap ones. Some of them kind of start deteriorating after a while. I mean, I don't know if that's good on this one or not, but haven't had an issue with them. So today, Knob Creek 9, and this is Black Tea Bourbon channel, the channel that reminds you that if it smells like alcohol, oh, and it tastes like alcohol, it must be good. Sorry. Forgot to close it. Alright, let's see here. Overall sweet. Not much alcohol to it. Oh, there it is. You gotta stick your nose in there. My nose is caught hard at sticking these little Glencairns. What does it smell like? It's not your typical sweet smell to it. Although something sweet about it. It's got a floral scent to it. Little sweetness, not much. Yeah, but I think this one's gonna have to be floral. You get the woody taste to it. Kind of reminds me of the other one that I did. It's like that earthy, dusty smell to it, or taste to it, sorry. But a little bitterness, it just hit sweet. It's almost, if you were to take, there you go. It's like mixing honey with water. That's what it is. There's some sort of honey taste to it when you mix it with water and you kind of mix it. It gets a little old or watered down to it. Yeah, that's what it is. It's like a woody honey finish. Knob Creek 9. You guys enjoy it. I know some people out there may not be Knob Creek fans. This is a good one to be on the lookout for. Nice color. I mean, right now I don't think I found a bourbon that says, you know what, I'm never buying it again. Or I mean, did I come across one of those? I can't remember if I did or not. But this one's really good. Obviously, if I had to give it a rating, I would give it about a. I mean, I don't want to go halves because then it just gets too complicated. But it's between a 7 and an 8. So with that, keeping that in mind, and looking back at the other Knob Creek that I've reviewed in the past, the Knob Creek 7, this is going to be an 8 for sure. It's good. Not as good as the other ones out there. It's got a sweetness to it, but if you're looking for something sweet like I do, this one does not have it. This is not that sweet stuff that I'm looking for, but it is very good. And I don't want to say if it's not sweet, I'm gonna give it a bad rating. Overall, Knob Creek does a very good job with it. Like I said, it reminds me of that honey when you mix it with water and then you taste it, and it's just like that watered down honey or watered down syrup. Yep, that's what it is. Cheers, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Once again, checking out Black Tea Homer with Black Tea Bourbon Channel. And this one smelled like alcohol, tasted like alcohol, and it was good. Y'all subscribe. Thank you for watching. Slap it.